Imagine this. Alan Millyard, the legendary engineer known for turning motorcycles into engineering marvels, suddenly decides to rebuild the world's largest yacht. What would that look like? How crazy would it be? And most importantly, would it even be possible? Well, in this video, we're diving into the mind of Millyard and uncovering what might happen if he took on the ultimate challenge, reinventing the largest yacht on Earth. For those who don't know, Alan Millyard is an engineering genius. He's famous for transforming motorcycles into record-breaking machines, like his 48-cylinder Kawasaki or his monstrous Viper V10 bike. Unlike big companies, he builds everything by hand, in his garage. So, if someone like Millyard were to rebuild a yacht, it wouldn't just be any yacht, it would be something revolutionary. Currently, the largest private yacht in the world is Azam, owned by the UAE royal family. It's 590 feet long, can reach speeds of 30 knots, and cost over $600 million to build. But could Millyard make it better? Millyard's builds aren't just bigger, they're smarter and more efficient. If he were to rebuild the world's largest yacht, here's what we might expect. Radical engine design. Millyard loves extreme engines. Imagine a hybrid powertrain using both jet engines and electric propulsion, making the yacht both faster and more fuel efficient. Lightweight engineering. He specializes in making things powerful without unnecessary bulk. He could use advanced materials like titanium and carbon fiber, reducing weight while maintaining strength. Handcrafted perfection. Unlike mass-produced yachts, a Millyard rebuild would be handcrafted, with custom mechanical components made with precision. Unique innovations. Expect things no other yacht has. Maybe a modular engine system, retractable wings for extra stability, or even motorcycle storage so guests could ride on board. Millyard has built things people thought were impossible before, but rebuilding the world's largest yacht, that's next level. He'd need a massive team, funding, and shipyard access. But if someone could do it differently, it's him. So what do you think? Would Alan Millyard actually take on such a challenge? And if he did, what crazy innovations would he bring? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.